I discovered an incredibly simple method to use ChatGPT to earn money online from anywhere in the world without spending any money. First, open ChatGPT and create a free account. Then, ask it to list the top 20 niches for selling products, such as camping, sports, fishing, travel, etc. ChatGPT will identify the niches with the highest potential for profit. After you have the list of niches, ask it to suggest the top 15 products to sell within each niche. For example, it might include niches like gardening, arts and crafts, fashion accessories, and kitchen supplies. Once you have these lists, you can see exactly how to monetize them. For instance, you can get 15 product ideas for the camping niche, travel-related items, or skincare products. As an example, let's focus on the camping niche to see how this works. So now we have a variety of products that we can sell and profit from. But don't worry, you don't need to physically own these products or maintain any inventory, and this method isn't related to dropshipping. What you need to do is use an AI tool called Midjourney, which transforms text prompts into actual images. Alternatively, you can use Blue Willow, which is a free option. Simply join one of these AI groups and input a detailed prompt, then copy and paste the product name, ensuring you add extreme details for high-quality, ultra-realistic images. The AI will generate an image of the product in a few seconds. For example, if we focus on a camping tent, you'll see the AI-generated images are impressive and look very professional. The best part is these images are AI generated, meaning they are copyright-free and unique content that no one else has. Here I have an image of this tent set in a very appealing scene that looks perfect for camping. The business model we'll be using is affiliate marketing. To demonstrate its effectiveness, last month I earned over $26,000 through an affiliate network with around $17,000 in the past 30 days alone. To get started, you'll generate an image for each product. For instance, I'll go back to Blue Willow and use the prompt /imagine along with the product name, specifying extreme details and ultra-realistic features. Blue Willow will create an image in about a minute. Next, head over to kit.co, a platform where you can create your own store without needing any physical products. You can create kits for different niches. For example, you can create a camping kit by clicking the plus icon, then create a new kit and naming it something like camping kit or summer essentials and clicking in next. You can then add products recommended by ChatGPT. For each product, search for it on kit.co, click to add it to your kit, and you'll have a variety of items like tents added with just one click. I'm going to add this to kit.co and then add all 15 products to my store. The more related products you have, in this case camping gear, the higher the chances of making more money. This is because customers looking for camping items can find everything they need in your store and purchase through your kit.co links, earning you a commission without the need to sign up for multiple affiliate networks. For instance, I'll add 3 products to demonstrate. If I click on view this kit, it will show my camping kit where people can buy these items on Amazon, earning me a commission through kit.co without needing an Amazon affiliate account. This is pretty cool. I'll use the first image from Blue Willow, download it to my computer, and save it. These images are high quality and AI generated. Once you've created your entire kit or store for the niche suggested by ChatGPT, whether it's camping, sports, fishing, etc., head over to canva.com. Start with a custom size of 1080 by 1920 to create a vertical design. Upload the images generated by Midjourney or Blue Willow. Create a quick GIF or MP4 video where these images change rapidly with a headline like 6 must-have camping items or 6 essential fishing items. Download this as an MP4 video or GIF to your computer. Here's an example video. The images in the video will change rapidly when you play it. You'll see all the different items flash on the screen. Once you've created this video, go to Pinterest.com, a platform that attracts a lot of traffic for these types of posts. Click on create an idea pin instead of a regular pin. Upload your video by dragging and dropping it into the creation area. You can add a title, such as a 6 must-have camping items, along with a brief description. Most importantly, include a link to your kit.co store. Click on the 3 dots to copy the shareable link from kit.co and paste it into the appropriate field on Pinterest. Once you click publish, your idea pin will go live, attracting traffic to your store. Repeat this process for as many different stores as recommended by ChatGPT. Add all the suggested products and generate engaging videos for each niche. By sharing these on Pinterest, you can drive traffic, generate sales, and make money online without doing the heavy lifting yourself.